Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to annotate PDFs directly in Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look over to the left panel of your screen and click on Notes. This will show you all the notes you've created in your Evernote workspace. Now, from your list of notes, find and click on the note that contains the PDF you want to annotate. Once you open that note, you'll see your PDF file displayed. Click directly on the PDF to select it, and you'll notice 3 dotted lines appear at the top of the file. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, click on Edit and Annotate. This opens Evernote's built-in annotation interface, giving you full access to a variety of tools designed specifically for marking up and editing your PDF documents. This feature is incredibly useful for reviewing documents, adding notes, or highlighting important sections without needing any external software. Once the annotation interface loads, take a look at the top toolbar. You'll see different annotation tools available, including pen, text, highlight, shapes, arrow, and badge. Each of these tools serves a different purpose, so you can choose whichever fits your needs best. For example, let's say you want to use the pen tool to draw or add handwritten notes. Click on the pen icon in the toolbar. Before you start using it, you can customize the color by clicking the color picker in the upper right corner. Select your preferred color from the options, and now you're ready to draw or write directly on your PDF. This is perfect for adding personal notes, circling important details, or sketching quick diagrams. If you want to add typed text instead, click the text icon in the top toolbar. Then, click anywhere on your PDF where you want to place the text and start typing. You can also move the text box around by holding your mouse button down and dragging it to a new position. This flexibility makes it easy to position your annotations exactly where you need them. To highlight sections of your PDF, click the highlight icon in the top toolbar. Then, simply drag your cursor over the text or area you want to emphasize. Highlighting is great for marking key information, making it easier to review later. If you need to add shapes to your PDF, click the shape icon in the top toolbar and select your preferred shape from the list that appears. Then, draw the shape onto your PDF. You can resize it if needed by dragging the corners, allowing you to adjust it perfectly to fit your document. Feel free to explore all the different annotation tools available in the top toolbar to see which ones work best for your workflow. Once you're finished annotating your PDF, click the Save button in the upper right corner to preserve all your changes. Your annotated PDF is now saved and ready to use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.